right, so we talked about equations. Somebody else, I need you to tell me how do we pull the inequalities all together? How do we tell inequalities? Yeah.
What makes a difference that it has the less than and greater than symbol, like that?
And what is that symbol? What are you looking for when you say, oh, that's an inequality?
The crocodile mouth looking.
The crocodile looking
Symbol, crocodile.
thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So do all of these have that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The inequality got the less than or greater than or the greater than, and then the less than or equal to, or then the more than or equal to, or then the greater than or equal to.
Okay. All right. How many symbols are there that an inequality could have that we would say, oh, that's an inequality?
4.
4. 5?
No. 4.
5.
What's the fifth?
The equal sign.
8.
Isn't that one too?
That's not an inequality though.
Oh yeah.
Why not?
That's true. That's true.
Because of the NB equation.
So we can't have an equal. Then it would be called an equality, not an inequality. Okay. So we got inequalities. How do we tell? Here's the last one I want to before we move on. Can somebody tell me how do we tell the expressions? What would you guys say? Yeah, no.
Expressions don't have an equal sign.
Expressions don't have an equal sign. People agree?
Yeah, because they don't have equal signs or less than or greater than.
So they don't have equal signs, they don't have inequalities. Can they have any signs?
Operations.
Yeah.
Operations.
They can have operations. What are operations?
Operations.
Plus, minus, division, multiplication, exponents,
And parentheses.
square
Can
root.
it have percents
Can I have a percent
and decimals?
and decimals?
Yeah.
That's a good question.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Okay, yeah.
Don't they have
Great.
And also
parentheses
for
too?
expressions, you can also combine like terms, like right? Can you?
Did everybody hear what she just said?
Yeah.
Nico, did you hear it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Maria, say it again.
That for expressions you can combine like terms, I think.
What does she mean? Can you turn to your group and say what she means by you can combine like terms?
Where it says 4p plus 3p equals 2p. You can do 4p plus 3p that equals 7p plus 2p, or you can do 4p plus 3p plus 2p, which equals 9p.
So let me ask a question,
You're
Maria.
combining. Well, that
So-
sounds right.
Maria brought up this idea. She said, in expressions I can combine like terms. Is that special to expressions? Can I combine like terms in equations? Sometimes. Tell me about that.
There's like some that don't have like any variables that are the same or anything like that.
Okay.
And sometimes there are, so you can like combine them.
So sometimes there are in expressions and sometimes there aren't. What about in equations? Would I ever use that idea of combining like terms?
I think.
Okay, so these are good questions. I'm really glad that you're asking these questions. This actually